देखिए ये मैं बिल्कुल उनका बेटा हूँ, स्वाभाविक है मेरी इच्छा जरूर होगी। उनके जितने समर्थक हैं, उनके जितने चाहने वाले, उनकी इच्छा भी है। बट मैं इस बात में भी मैं मानता हूँ, कोई चीज़ अगर मांग के मिली तो क्या मिली। मैं मानता हूँ मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो लगाव मेरे पिता के साथ था और इस देश के प्रति जो उनके कार्य रहे हैं, जो उनका समर्पण रहा है, मुझे लगता है आज नहीं तो कल जिस सम्मान के वो हकदार हैं, बिना मांगे वो उनको मिलेगा।
Mr. Paswan, you kicked off the food processing 3-day event, very grand indeed, and you had conversations with more than 100 CEOs, and they did raise a few concerns regarding GST, ease of doing business. Could you talk a little bit about that, and will we see that kind of reduction going forward?
Well, I don't know whether we'll see that kind of reduction happening or not, but then these were certain issues which I just said. I want to be that link between the industry and the government, and through World Food India, that's exactly what we try to do. Their concerns, their issues were raised, were put across in front of the concerned authorities. Now eventually it's for those authorities, those departments to take a final call. As a minister, I'm trying my best to resolve all the concerns that the people of my industry faces.
Which are the top 5 next food processing states that India will witness going forward? Because you want, even at the state levels, a lot of food processing hubs to come in. Which are the top 5 ones, would you say?
Well, eventually I'm focused on the complete nation. To be very honest, as I was just mentioning in my speech also, India is a land of diversity, and that is the beauty of my country. Right from top north to down south, east to west, there's so much of variety, even when it comes to food products, when it comes to our way of, to our style of eating also, our choice of eating, what we eat in north is way different than what we eat in north. And eventually, I want everything to come to a level where we can take them forward globally. So yes, rather than focusing on particular states, definitely few states which are agro-prone, pro states, whether it's Punjab, my state, Bihar, these states definitely will always be priority. But then having said that, northeastern states again would be one of the priorities. Down south, compilation of all the states, would definitely be priority. So when I say this, I think it's the nation as a whole.
As a consumer also, there's one key issue which is the maximum residual element that we have in food factors, and a lot of our products get rejected on the global level. How are we planning to match that?
So yes, that's
and food processing and this industry working together.
That is something collectively with the whole of the government approach. We are trying to work on that. As I mentioned, my Prime Minister also has a similar thought when it comes to this, that Indian standards eventually should be recognized as the global standard, as recognized as world standard. So that is something what we are working towards.
Where do you think the next trend of food processing is going? We have vegan, etc. So where do you think in the 3-4 days of the event?
Well, nothing in particular, because everybody's got their own taste buds. And I'll repeat myself, India is country of diversity. So rather than picking something particular, I would want everyone to flourish and grow. So we have already come out with EOI. EOI is already out, and I think very soon we'll start seeing these units getting set up as well.
What will be the total investment for 50 irrigation centers?
The total cost in EOI, we have come out with the breakup and with all the details.
Okay. And what about the food testing labs? That will be set up by you or
100 of them. Yes. No, that will be set up by us only. 100 of them by the ministry.
सर, अभी झारखंड इलेक्शन डिक्लेयर होने वाला है और अभी हमने 5 सीटें ली और पांचों की पांचों हमने विन की। तो आप एक बिहार में जबरदस्त चेहरा भी देखे जा रहे हैं और झारखंड और बिहार की ऑल ओवर इंडिया की आप पूरी पसंद है। तो कैसे मानते हैं कि भाजपा में किस तरह से हमें सीटें मिलेंगी, क्योंकि आप विनर हैं?
मेरी कल ही मुलाकात केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री आदरणीय अमित शाह जी से हुई है, जहां पे मौजूदा राजनीतिक हालातों के साथ साथ आने वाले विभिन्न राज्यों में जहां पे चुनाव होने हैं उसको लेकर भी चर्चा हुई है, झारखंड को लेकर भी चर्चा हुई है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं जिस तरीके से राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हमारा गठबंधन मजबूती के साथ है, अलग अलग राज्यों में जहां पर हम लोग ने अलग से चुनाव नहीं लड़ा, हरियाणा हो या जम्मू कश्मीर हो, वहां पे मेरी पार्टी ने मजबूती से समर्थन भारतीय जनता पार्टी का किया है। झारखंड में भी मेरी सोच यही है कि हम लोग एनडीए के साथ मिलकर हम लोग चुनाव लड़ें। मुझे लगता है नोटिफिकेशन आते आते तक 2-4 दिन में जब तक अधिसूचना आएगी तब तक इस पे अंतिम फैसला भी ले लिया
आपकी
जाएगा।
पार्टी
हरियाणा में
लड़ना जरूर चाहती है, पार्टी की स्टेट यूनिट की इच्छा जरूर है और अब हम लोग गठबंधन के तहत लड़ते हैं, अकेले लड़ते हैं, कैसी परिस्थिति बनती है। कल बहुत सकारात्मक मुलाकात मेरी केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री आदरणीय अमित शाह जी के साथ भी हुई है। मुझे लगता है कुछ दिनों में सारी स्थिति
कितनी सीट मांगी है?
ये मैं गठबंधन की मर्यादा को तोड़ूंगा क्योंकि ये गठबंधन के भीतर की चर्चा है।